everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to reset your password for Crown Direct account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the web address bar, type in www.crownhotels.com.au and press enter. Now, from the main official web page, click on the Login to Crown Direct button at the top right, and this will take you to the login page. If you remember your email and password, you can type it in directly over here and click the login button to access to your account. But if you don't remember your password during the process, you can click on this Forgot Password link and follow through the prompt. Enter your valid email address in the text box appearing on the display, and then make sure to type in the correct email address and now click on Reset Password. You'll receive an email with a link to reset your password on your email inbox. Go ahead and open it up like you normally do, and then you'll receive an email from Crown Direct. Click it open and then click on Reset Your Password button. Doing so will take you to a new tab where you can easily type in the new password you would like to change to for the account. Go ahead and type in the new password you would want to change to and confirm the new password by retyping it again in the next field. Finally, click on Reset Password and you'll be redirected to the main login page. Type in your correct email address and your correct password that you just changed to and click on Login to access back to your account. That is how you'll be able to reset your password even if you've forgotten it during logging into your Crown Direct account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.